They say the Lunavia Antifungal Pen is a mess-free, powerful solution for toenail fungus. Just twist the pen, apply the treatment with its precision brush, and target the infection at its source. Promises include 25% undecylenic acid, essential oils like tea tree and manuka, and a formula gentle enough for regular use. But in 2026, with so many natural antifungals on the market, the real question is Lunavia legit or just another overhyped product? Let's break it down. At first glance, Lunavia appears to be very well thought out. The official product description advertises a high-strength active ingredient, 25% undecylenic acid, which is a recognized antifungal. It also includes botanical oils like tea tree, clove bud, oregano, manuka, and propolis, which could help with skin comfort, soothing, and penetration. The pen format is a major selling point. It's designed for precise application, so you avoid messy creams or thick jellies. That is very appealing for people who struggle with applying antifungal treatments neatly. However, once you dig into real user experiences, things get more complicated. There are many reviews from buyers who claim that after a few weeks of consistent use, they saw visible improvements in itchiness, nail discoloration, and texture. But not everyone is satisfied. Some users report slow or uneven results, especially for deep or persistent fungal infections. Several people warn that one pen might not be enough to fully clear an infection, and they recommend using multiple pens or continuing treatment even after symptoms fade to avoid recurrence. Another concern is how realistic the visible results in 2 to 4 weeks claim is. While the company states that many users notice improvement within that time, dermatologists warn that nail fungus, especially in toenails, is notoriously difficult to treat because the fungus lives under and around the nail bed, which is hard to reach. Topical treatments often work slowly, and if the nail is very thick, penetration can be limited. Therefore, efficacy depends a lot on how long you use the treatment, how consistent you are, and whether you prepare the nail properly, like filing or thinning the surface before applying. Then there's the matter of safety and skin comfort. The botanical oils can be soothing, but the high concentration of undecylenic acid is active and potent, and some people may experience irritation, burning, or sensitivity, especially if they have very sensitive skin. A patch test is absolutely recommended before full use. On the plus side, Lunavia does claim to manufacture in a regulated facility and to meet good manufacturing practices. Their shop offers a money-back guarantee or a risk-free period in some versions, which adds reassurance. Also, the pen format is very convenient and portable, making it easy to apply twice daily without making a mess. Cost-wise, the pen isn't super cheap, especially considering you may need 2 or more to complete a full treatment cycle. When compared with prescription antifungal treatments or oral medications, the pen may be more affordable, but you have to weigh that against the time and effort required. So, what's the bottom line? Is the Lunavia Antifungal Pen really effective for your toes? The answer, yes, for some people, but not for everyone. My verdict: Lunavia is legit enough to try, especially for mild to moderate infections or for people who prefer a topical, natural-ish solution. It's not a magic cure, and for very stubborn or advanced fungus, it may not be enough alone. But if you're consistent, patient, and willing to apply it carefully, it could deliver good results.